have great news. My computer is finally finished and it's here in my room at last. I have all my programs were able to be put back on it, so I've got Photoshop back and Sony Vegas Movie Studio, but I gotta figure out where they are and how it works. I'm not used to the Windows 10. I'm trying to learn. I think I've logged back into all my stuff, and I kind of have an icy blue turquoise theme with white and black going here, and I love my new tower. Check out all the cool stuff. Cool, the fans, I love them. I can make them turn any color I want, but I think the memory sticks are always RGB, flashing rainbowy colors. And the only thing is, I wish that my little USB hub stayed the color I want, but it cycles through, so it's doing the rainbow thing too. And unfortunately, so does my mouse. Occasionally it becomes blue, but I wish I could pick the color, but you can't. The keyboard, you can, and I will do a separate video just on this keyboard because it's really awesome. And I want to show that I love Firefox because it's so customizable. So open it up, and right now I've got my budgie header going across the top. And I have a few others that I've put in my favorites that have different budgies and pumpkins and gourds. And I'll be making some new art that'll fit this monitor better. I drew this, but it wasn't designed to be a wallpaper, so that'll be getting an update. And this room, I am working on this room. I am going to get a bigger desk, and I am going to have to put this one on the wall behind me, and then I'm going to be moving my art table that you guys have seen in other videos to this wall. So the room's getting a major swap. Everything's getting moved around. And you guys know I got 2 new birds the other day, and they've been updated too. Here they are. This is so much better. I put the stand together for them. And yes, he's gonna get more toys. She ended up getting most of them, and I gotta go out and get some new ones, but I let them out and they play together sometimes. She wants to be fed. And I just love the color of these cages. I might get rid of this top shelf, because then I can put a play gym on top of his cage and it's easier access than having this thing and covering them when they're trying to play up here. And I think I am going to name her Nautica. Chris came up with the name. Even though she's not blue, I like it. It's just very pretty. And then this little guy, I named him Minion after Megamind, the fish gorilla. So, yep, hopefully I'll be able to start making some better videos now. Oh, let me close the window so you guys can see this better in the dark. Well, my camera compensates for darkness. I don't know how much it'll... There we go. This computer runs so quiet. Let's see Let's change color. And I have the wall here of the PC is solid white. I plan to make a drawing of Veer and have it wrapped. So for now, it's staying in the plastic, and the glass is staying in the plastic because this will get moved around, and I don't want it to get scratched. So until it's in its permanent location, that's how it'll be. All right, Des signing off. There we go. He's got toys now. So does little Nautica. Well, hopefully he'll play with them.